Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we're understanding how to create an item view in Althea Suite. So item views are essentially subcategories or tiers that you can add to a particular category in terms of viewing the category properly. So we can navigate to the products and item views. This is where our item views are created. So first of all, before getting started, we'll have to ensure that we have created the available fields that are required to create an item view. So we'll head over to item, and in the item manager, we can click on the new button. Now, when we scroll down to the bottom, we see all the list of available fields which we have created for our business type. So these are called item fields that you might have created for your specific business type, such as brand, color, weight, size, style, etc. And you might have already associated values such as what colors are actually available and associated them with the different products. If you want to create a new item field, you can do so by clicking on the item fields and the new button. So the available fields, if they are already created, you can then go ahead and start creating the item view. So we'll head back to now the item view button. Now we will be able to see all the list of available views. So we can go ahead and start by creating and adding the list of available fields to the right hand side of the suggested fields. So based on how we want the particular tier to be oriented and the particular subcategory to be oriented, we can move the available fields on the right hand side. So let us assume that we are trying to add the brand as the first level of subcategory and then the color as the next level of subcategory. So we can do so by clicking on brand and then the arrow. So we are moving it on the right. Simultaneously, we'll do that for color. So the order in which you see the selected fields oriented, this is the order that which you will see the respective category tree. So in this case, we see that category is the first view, the first level of category, then there is this subcategory, and under brand there is subcategory color. You can also move them around using these arrows. This would tell you how you want the particular view to be oriented. You can now save the information by clicking on the save button. Once this information is saved, you can head back to items again, and we can now head back to the view, the fourth filter here, which is the category tree filter. Here, you will be able to look at all the available views that you have created. When you click on the down arrow, like we see there's a default filter which we just created. And similarly, if you have other views and filters, you can add them and select what filter you want to actually apply at the time of selection. So we have selected default, and we see these plus icons next to every category. When I click on the plus icon, I should be able to see the first level of subcategory. So we see aircrafts as the first category, which is the parent category. Then we have the brand, and then we have the color, which is the third level. So 1, 2, and 3 levels. So you are able to now select whatever category or subcategory you're trying to locate the product for using the item field. So you can follow the same process and create other item fields and then select whatever item field you want to be visible for the selection. So this is how we are essentially able to create item views and apply them to our items. Thank you.